The 2021 Favourites collection introduces 9 new alternatives to some of Jon Renau's most popular human and synthetic hairstyles in petite and large cap sizes, hand-tied caps, and a new wavy curl pattern for a topper. I'm wearing Blake here, but let's start off the video by introducing you to Sarah Large. I'm wearing the colour Palm Springs Blonde. Now, Sarah is one of my ultimate favourite synthetic styles. She does feature the Jon Renau hand-tied cap. We have the lace front, we do have a full monofilament top so that we can change that parting. Now with my Sarah and with any of my synthetic wigs, I only use either my fingers to run through the synthetic fibres, or I will use my Jon Renau wide tooth comb just to break up those waves if that's something you like to do. If you do prefer it more structured, you can just give a spritz of water back to the style and those curls will look more structured again. This is just honestly one of my absolute ultimate favourite styles in synthetic hair. Now, CARRIE has been a style that has been available in Jon Renau human hair for a while. We now see the introduction of CARRIE hand-tied. CARRIE hand-tied features Remy human hair. It is a blend of Indian Chinese hair, top grade quality. It is available in a range of colours, and we do have this absolutely gorgeous hand-tied Jon Renau cap that many of us do know and love. So this is really exciting. CARRIE is certainly one of these styles that I would put on as a kind of day-to-day go-to. Want to have some hair, I want to have some length, but I don't want anything that's going to be too long or too unmanageable. It's just one of these styles that I can put on and go. And now that she is available in this absolutely phenomenal hand-tied Jon Renau cap, which, as one of the girls at Jon Renau, Emily says, she says it is like a hug for your head, and it absolutely is like a hug for your head. The hand-tied cap is absolutely beautiful, and we do have that stretch section inside. We have the lace front, the full monofilament top. So this colour that I'm wearing, this is the chocolate cherry, which is FS2V 31V. This is just your kind of gorgeous long bob type medium style wig. She is absolutely beautiful. Voila! So this is the Blake from Jon Renau, and she is now available in the large size of cap. Blake is one of the world's most popular, best-selling human hair wigs, and it is very easy to see why. She has this long, gorgeous, feminine style. She does have the absolutely beautiful Remy hair, which is a blend of Chinese and Indian, top grade Remy hair. For 2021, it is so exciting. We have seen the introduction of the Blake Large. Now that is absolutely amazing because Blake is one of the best selling human hair wigs worldwide, so it is really amazing that she is now available in a larger cap for all you girls or guys looking for a long, luxurious, high quality Remy human hair, looking for a gorgeous hand-tied cap. And if you do have a larger size of head, then now you have access to this absolutely beautiful style as well. She is now available in a large size, and that is so super exciting. So the shade that I'm wearing, this is part of the chocolate collection. This is the shade Salted Caramel, and the code for that is FS2631S6. I adore Ignite, and I'm so excited to see she is now available in the petite size and also in the large size. So she is absolutely stunning. It is affordable, it is beautiful, it is gorgeously feminine for those of you who love a kind of shorter style. If you're kind of in between wanting short, you want a bob, this is a great transitional type of wig. Obviously it can just be worn all down and you have this gorgeous A-line cut which is longer at the front with these face framing layers, which is so flattering to the majority of face shapes. So the Jon Renau Ignite is made from absolutely gorgeous heat friendly synthetic fibres, and the fibre used is a Futura 2 fibre, which is a polyester base. Now this is beautiful because it looks so natural. It has the denier of European human hair, so it's fine, very silky, smooth, soft. Now I think a lot of people have a bit of a love-hate relationship with heat friendly fibre, however once you know the care is just a bit different, you know, it's incredible. So this is Ignite Petite that I'm wearing just now, and this is the shade Palm Springs Blonde, which is FS17101S18, which is this rooted colour. She is available in the other California blondes as well. She's available in the chocolate collection and many of the Jon Renau favourite colours. I absolutely adore Ignite. I'm so excited to see the introduction of January Petite to the favourites collection for 2021. January has been a bestseller in the synthetic styles. She is carefree, loose, beachy, bob type length style and waves. She is absolutely stunning, so popular. It's very easy to see why. You know, you can wear her and go. She can be worn just casual with your jeans and a top. She can be worn dressed up, beautiful, so easy to manage, to maintain such a gorgeous length, and she is now available in the petite cap, which is very exciting. The shade that I'm wearing is shade 32F, which I absolutely adore, but this is obviously available in many of the favourite colours, the California Blondes and the Chocolate Collection. So this is the January hand tied. Again, we have the same style, the same gorgeous beachy style waves. January hand tied is absolutely amazing. This is a fully hand tied cap, so it is so comfortable, so natural. It is very lightweight. It is absolutely phenomenal. It is an average size of cap. It does have that stretch section. You can tighten up your circumference. It is beautiful. We have the lace front, the monofilament top. The cap is absolutely gorgeous. I can't wear a topper because I have no hair. However, for those girlies out there who do have maybe thinning hair, sparse hair, are looking to increase the volume on top, Jon Renau have introduced two new toppers. One is the Top Smart Wavy 12 inch, the other is the Top Smart Wavy but in an 18 inch length. They are beautiful. Now this is the shade 6F27. Rather than enlisting my couple of model, my daughters I was going to use, I'm just going to show you this just now. She is beautiful. Now the attachment method, it is a clip-in attachment. However, I'll show you, let's have a wee talk through her. So we have your lace front, so if you do have like frontal fibrosing alopecia or just very fine frontal hairline, or more mid progressive, so advanced hair loss, we have this gorgeous lace front. So it will look like those hairs are coming out your head at the very front. We then have this monofilament top. Now that allows you to part the topper in whichever direction, left, right, centre, just whichever you are used to wearing. Now the sides and back are open wefts, and you can see the kind of coverage this is going to have. Now you do have these clips, it is clip-in attachments, but what is very exciting with the Jon Renau Top Smart and the Top Smart Wavy now, what we have here, if you guys can see, underneath the clips at the front centre, front right and front left, underneath these clips you can see those little rectangles. Now that's polyurethane, and the reason for that, if you do not have hair at the front, if your hair is very sparse and you do not have enough hair to support a clip in the weight of your topper, this is being so expertly created by Jon Renau. You can remove the clips and you can use tape or adhesive on the polyurethane rectangles and attach here, here and here where those clips lie. I was going to pop this in mannequin head to show you the level of coverage you have with the Top Smart Wavy, but what I'm actually going to do is, obviously I cannot secure it to my head, but I'm going to sit it onto my head, and that way you will see, all you're seeing is purely the hair of the topper because I have no hair. Now this is probably a very crazy thing for me to be doing. I have no hair, but obviously you can see with that lace front it does look like those hairs are coming out of your own head. Now the reason I have sat this on, obviously I cannot wear this, this is to show you the additional level of coverage you would have from the Top Smart Wavy. Now this is the 12 inch length that I am showing you, and this is just to show the kind of amount of coverage that you can have from this topper. I'm somebody that has no hair and I cannot wear a topper, I have to wear a full wig. However, this is the level of coverage you're going to have, which is really exciting. She's available in the California Blondes, the chocolates and the most popular shades. Okay guys, so this is the Top Smart Wavy in the 18 inch length. Obviously this is a topper, this is not for somebody with total hair loss, this is not a product that I can use. I have only sat it in my head to show you the extra coverage that you actually do get from this topper. So this really does give a good level of coverage. Obviously you do need to have hair to support wearing this topper, but this is, rather than put it on a mannequin head and show you, I thought I'll just put it in my head, because any hair you then see, you know, it is purely topper. So if you do have fine hair, thinning hair on top at the front, This is absolutely gorgeous. Now the curl pattern is beautiful. It will hold, it will stay because it is standard synthetic fibre, which is really exciting. It is beautiful. This is shade number 4 that I have just now. So guys, I'm going to head off for now. So enjoy, keep sparkling, be on beautiful. Till next time, which hopefully won't be as far away as the last video, I will leave you all in peace. So take care and I will speak to you all soon. Mwah!